That's a good one. Finally. See? I knew there was fish down there. Got it. Yes. Alright, got it on the drop shot. Marked the spot here and just gave myself a little bit of time to get it because I should be picky. Nice one. It's a healthy little male. Side of the mouth. Thank you, bud. Nice one. Thanks for the fight, my friend. Okay, let's see if we can get another one to bite. So, let's see if we can do that again. Good old drop shot. Oh yeah, that is a good one right there. See how far off that is? Little healthy this time of the year. The cold mouth. Look how pretty the inside of the mouth gets because they're so cold. These guys, top of the lips red. Got them on the top of the mouth. It's a nice healthy male. See, buddy. Yoo-hoo! He's gonna give us a little extra show.